Introducing the Smart Door Fingerprint Lock. Durability and resilience. Crafted from a high-strength aluminum alloy, the XL100 Smart Lock is known for its durability and ability to resist corrosion. Multiple unlock methods. Explore the convenience of different unlocking methods such as fingerprint, RFID card, password, remote control, Bluetooth, mobile app. Touch keypad for a smart door lock enables door unlocking by entering a code on a touchscreen panel. Remote control for lock. You can also use a wireless remote control and mobile app to manage this lock. Our automatic door locking system enhances security by automatically locking your door after it closes, ensuring peace of mind. USB power supply. When battery power is low, USB power supply is available. Reinforced lock bolt. Stainless steel solid lock bolt, strong and anti-rust. Doorbell on the touch keypad, useful and convenient. Enhancing security and convenience. Indoor knob for smart door lock functionality, enhancing security and convenience. Upgrade your glass door security with the Xtreme Guard fingerprint lock. For more information, visit our website or contact us today. Akil Security Alarm System, LLC.